The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the werewolves have spread to the whole North American continent. In addition, the werewolves have taken Washington, D.C. and killed the president. Animal control, local and state police, the Fish and Wildlife Services and the United States Armed Forces are having difficulty in taking down these creatures as they are all resistant to all forms of weaponry. The current death toll is around 2 million so far. All residents of the United States are ordered to shelter in place. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all lights. Get into an underground shelter. Gather enough food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit and a battery-powered radio for the duration of the shelter in place. Do not go outside as you're putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned to this station for more updates on this developing situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Government of the United Kingdom. At 3:30 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, the werewolves are continuing to cause havoc in the whole country. In addition, it has been reported that the royal family and the Prime Minister Boris Johnson and his cabinet have all been killed by these creatures. The armed forces are having difficulty in taking down these creatures as they are resistant to all forms of weaponry. In addition, the cause of this werewolf rampage has been found. According to the United States government, that a terrorist group named the Werewolf Order of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party has claimed responsibility. Their motive was to resurrect the Third Reich through a werewolf invasion of the world. All residents of the United Kingdom are ordered to spend the last hours of the United Kingdom with their loved ones. There's no point to shelter in place as these creatures can easily enter shelters. Gather all your friends and family and face certain death. We will conclude by playing the national anthem for one last time.
An Emergency Action Termination. The Capitalist und Communist World is over. We have fulfilled the Fourth Reich. Adolf Hitler would we being proud. Sieht heil. Für der deutschen Vaterland. Let the Fourth Reich start by playing the national anthem. Heil Hitler.